Are you ready to answer some
Yeah.
questions? Okay. So, what is the perimeter of a circle?
2 pi r.
What is pi?
Pi is equal to 7 equal to 20 ke darbo.
Can you slow down a little bit? What is pi? Pi?
Pi is a constant we believe cold.
Huh?
42/7 equal 3.14.
3.14. Okay. So, what is the area of a circle?
Pi square.
Okay. What is the perimeter of a square? What's the perimeter of a square?
First,
What is the area of a square?
s square.
What is the perimeter of a rectangle? That's okay. Don't worry about it. What is the perimeter of a rectangle?
Total length plus total to breadth.
Okay. And what is the area of a rectangle?
Length to width.
Okay. What is the perimeter of a triangle?
It plus b plus c.
Okay. What is the area of a right angle triangle?
But do the best to hide one ice cream.
Okay. We'll give you ice cream later on, but don't go fast. I don't understand. Can you repeat this answer? What is the area of a right angle triangle?
But to enter best in two height.
Good job. Okay. What is the area of any triangle with sides A and B?
What's it called here on formula?
Oh, it's called Heron's formula? It's called Heron's formula? Look here. Is it called Heron's formula? Okay, what is Heron's formula?
According to what's formula?
Hmm?
Area of any triangle with A, B, and C. What's formula? D. Bracket D minus A, bracket D minus B, bracket D and C.
Hmm?
Where D equals B plus C divided by 2.
Okay, I don't understand. Can you write it down? Write down the Heron's formula. Come here. Let's see what you did. Okay, come. I ask you a question. What is the area of any triangle A, B, and C with sides A and B and C? And you say it's Heron's formula. So according to Heron's formula,
The area of any triangle with sides A.
the area of any triangle with sides A and B and C equal area equal. What is area equal? Give me the formula. Area of any triangle with sides A and B and C equal.
Square root D.
Yeah, write down now. Square root D. Then
Bracket D minus A.
Okay.
Bracket
Hmm.
D minus D.
Minus B. Okay, good job. Then
Bracket D minus C.
where? What is D here?
Just solve.
Okay, so okay, sorry. Where D equal? Where D equal? Where D equal?
Where
No, Babu. Asini, this is not like so. In maths, what do you do now? If you have to write where, you can just do it. What I taught you is like V and 2 process. Where D equal? What is D?
D equal
D equal.
A plus B plus C divided by 2.
Good job. Very nice. I'm so proud of you. Can you sit down here? Let's continue. Okay. Do you know? Okay. What is Pythagoras theorem?
That's according to the Pythagoras theorem in the right equal triangle.
Okay. Slow down. Can you slow down? Chop it off. Say according to. Say.
According to Pythagoras theorem,
Hmm?
the right equal triangle square plus base square equals 180.
I don't understand. You have to be very slow and clear. Can you repeat again?
According
Say.
to Pythagoras theorem in the right equal triangle.
Take a pause. Say. Take a pause. Say. According to.
Pythagoras theorem, the right equal triangle, height square plus base square equals hypotenuse square.
Height square plus base square equal hypotenuse square.
Okay,
Great job. Can you? Let's finish this exercise, no? Okay. What is the distance between 2 points in a plane?
Distance between 2 points in a plane equals square root D.
Huh?
Square root x minus x and square plus y minus y square.
Okay. So let's see what I'm talking about. Come. So let's say. So if this is a plane, XY plane, okay? Where is X? Where is Y? Can you show me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So where is X axis?
X axis.
This is X axis. Okay, good job. And where is Y axis?
This is y axis.
Y axis. Okay. No. It's fine. So the distance between 2 points in a plane. Let's say this is the distance. What is the formula of this? Distance between 2 points in a plane. So D equal. What is D equal?
Square root
Square root. Yeah, you write down because I'm making a video for your school.
x2
x2 x2 minus
is x
huh? x1. Good job.
square
Square
plus y2
y2
minus y1
hmm?
square.
Okay, can you point it out just for your video sake? Point it out. Second. Okay, let me put this moon back here. That is okay. So, can you say D equal?
Square root x square minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square.
Good job. That's the distance between
2 points on the plane.
2 points in a plane.
Plane.
Good job. Good job. Okay, can you? Okay. All right. Okay, sit down. Can you sit down here? Okay. All right. So, you did a great job so far. Okay, what is the perimeter of a cube?
12s.
What is S in cube? S is the
side of the cube.
great job. What is the surface area of a cube?
6s squared.
What is the volume of a cube?
S cube.
What is the perimeter of a cuboid?
4 bracket length plus breadth plus height.
Okay. And what is the surface area of a cuboid?
2 bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length.
Okay. What is the volume of a cuboid?
Length into breadth into height.
Okay. What is the surface area of a sphere? How about sphere?
Papaya square.
Slow down. Chop it out. What is the surface area of a sphere?
4 pi r square.
4 pi r square. What is r?
O is the side of the square.
R is the
Length of the square.
what? 4 pi r square. What is the r? R is the
R is the radius of the sphere.
So why did you say that? Okay. Okay, what is the let me see. What is the volume of a sphere?
4 by 3 pi r cube.
4 by 3 pi r cube. Where are you looking? Just pay attention. Look at the face. Rule of communication. Okay. Good job.